Hi guys, Flappy Guy 9 here, and today we are just gonna do random stuff. And yeah, here's my dog Flash. Flash. What are you doing? Say hi to the camera. Don't go away. Turn. You're huge. Good boy. Boop, 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 boop. Okay. Alright. Flash! No, you rolled it away. Okay, stay there. Stay. 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 Thank you! I got the yay thing. Alright, Flash. Alright, sit. 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 Alright, good boy. You see this? Go get it. Good boy. Now bring it back. Bring it. No, I said bring it back. Come here. Come back here. Come back. Oh, you want to play? Come here. I see you. No, he's hard. Oh, you lay down? Oh, you still want to play? Oh, shoot, you're bugging at me. Get. I'm coming. Oh, ah. Oh, I fell. You're my enemy. Gotcha. Whoa, I almost tripped over you. You're a fast runner. Got him. No! Look what he did to it. Oh, but I threw it. He's hard. If you guys are wondering. You got it. He's hard. Flash. Friends? You friends? Good job. No! But you're lonely. And we get it! Yay! I got it. Woo! No! Gotcha. Did freeze? Woo! No! Whoa! That was really fun. Gotcha! Go get over there now. I'm gonna go get it. Alright. Woo! You dropped it. Gotcha. Oh, sorry, Flash. Alright, guys. That will be it for this video. And if you did enjoy this video, then make sure to leave a big fat thumbs up. I can't even speak today. And yeah, Flash, say bye bye. Sorry, bye bye. Say bye bye. Say bye bye. Alright, guys. See you for the next video. Comment down below what you guys want me to do for the next video. Maybe a challenge. Oh, I saw that bird. And yeah, it'll be pretty fun. Yeah, comment down whatever you want me to do next. And yeah, please make sure to subscribe if you hadn't yet. So, bye.